In the intricate and mysterious world of the human brain lies a concept that has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike for decades: the equipotentiality hypothesis. To comprehend this idea, let's explore it through the lens of a particularly vital brain structure, the hippocampus. Picture this. Our brain is a vast and intricate network of pathways and connections, much like a bustling metropolis. Each section of this city has its unique function and purpose. One such area, deeply nestled within, is the hippocampus. This crucial structure is well known as a core player in the formation of new memories and the organization of information. Now, imagine for a moment that the hippocampus suffers damage. What would be the consequence? According to the equipotentiality hypothesis, an equally fascinating and controversial notion, one might envision that all parts of the brain have the potential to assume functions typically attributed to another, given the right circumstances. The hypothesis, initially proposed by Carl Lashley in the early 20th century, posits that if one part of the brain is impaired, other regions might step in to perform the displaced functions, thus maintaining cognitive abilities to some extent. This raises the question: could other areas of the brain adapt to take over the hippocampus's role? Let's delve into what this means and its implications. Firstly, the hippocampus is a chief orchestrator in memory consolidation, essentially converting short-term experiences into long-term memories. If damaged, individuals often experience significant impairment in forming new memories, a condition commonly recognized as anterograde amnesia. The equipotentiality hypothesis suggests that, theoretically, other brain regions might adapt over time to partly recover these functions. Studies in neuroplasticity provide some backing for this fascinating idea. The brain exhibits remarkable plasticity, enabling certain areas to modify their function in response to changes in environment or circumstance. For instance, in individuals with hippocampal damage, some research has shown that adjacent brain regions, such as the entorhinal cortex, may exhibit increased activity during learning tasks. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that these adaptations may not fully restore the nuanced capabilities of the hippocampus. The hippocampus's sophistication in organizing and retrieving spatial memories or complex episodic memories poses a significant challenge for complete compensation by other regions. The brain's ability to adapt has its limits and might not fully replicate the original function. Additionally, the type and extent of damage significantly influence the outcomes. A partial impairment might result in more substantial compensatory behavior compared to total destruction of the hippocampus. Furthermore, age and the individual's prior cognitive baseline play essential roles in this adaptive potential. The equipotentiality hypothesis invites ongoing research and discussion, particularly in the fields of neuropsychology and cognitive neuroscience. While the notion embraces the incredible adaptability of the brain and its inherent resilience, the hypothesis also underscores the complexity of our neural networks and how interconnected they truly are. Perhaps what this hypothesis and the accompanying debates truly highlight is the awe-inspiring intricacy of the human mind. Our brains, as we continue to discover, are not merely a collection of discrete parts, but rather an orchestra where each section harmonizes with others, creating the symphony of human cognition. To conclude, while the equipotentiality hypothesis offers a hopeful glimpse into the brain's capacity for adaptation in the face of challenges like hippocampal damage, it also serves as a reminder of our current limits in completely understanding the vast labyrinth that is the human brain. As we advance our exploration into neurological sciences, each finding not only clarifies, but also deepens the mystery, inviting us to question and constantly seek out the wonders that lie within.